Yo soy blanca. I am white. ¿Me ven? Do I exist because you see me now, here? Or maybe because you can attest that I am sitting in the same room with you today. Yet I am not speaking. I am letting this moving image do it for me. We repeat. I repeat. I am cornered. Thus, in lieu of reading modernity as an all-encompassing thought, I here say I do not seem to understand what a natural historical concept of race can mean other than classifying that which is the other. Today I am the other because this is not really my voice, and I am not really white. I look white. I am Latin American, but I look European. I am a Jew, and I look like a Christian. I act as if I know, but it is always a representation. La Utopia no existe. It will never exist, though we can imagine it. Utopia is a medieval fantasy game played on the web directly to your browser. No downloads necessary. This fictional island, when snowing, is in the Caribbean, but it can be a room in Athens, Ohio, of course, or in the face of my son. As an imaginary non-place, it exists because we name it. I cannot erase my skin color, therefore I am marked. But I am marked with the color of privilege, so far. Just a decade before my birth, this skin would have been a lampshade, shading bright lights that weren't supposed, are not supposed to make poetry impossible from then on. Putting forth the perfecting concept of modernity, a concept uncrowned by the grotesque and replaced by the relative and the limited. My dreams also believed in utopia, even when my black boyfriend told me I was passing for white. What about passing for Colombian? Representation reproduces the other as the same. Now we do not fear each other, and this is not a performance, because it is still a reproduction unless I erase it as soon as we finish this and you and all decide. I have not answered this question. Huh? What? It was an enigma? La diferencia es lo que es. La différence makes this text possible. If I declare I am a woman, you had already seen the difference. When I say I'm a Jew, I am declaring my difference, and all of these signs start becoming real imaginations just to help your comparisons. Racial, justice are two words that don't walk together. They signal an impossibility if we need to mark the other in order to understand who we are. Necessity in every concept which prevails at any time is always one piece, serious, unconditional, and indisputable. Understanding who we are is another impossibility once we realize imagining a stable way of being is just an utopia, and no place at the same time in the name of progress, another fantasy that runs towards a future ever so elusive. I erase now the sign of my body in this tape because I cannot leave the room. All questions to the other, please. Copy that